Why will you be quarreling in the church because they didn't make you to be the patron of the choir? Why will you fight over being a patron or the patron of even the church? If it is not that you know when you go there, you will steal. Why will politicians be bent to rule over us if they actually want to render services for us? If there is nothing to loot, why will you lobby to become a DG or lobbying for any position in the church, canvassing for seat of honor, if you have not located something there that you can steal? Jesus didn't bring Judas to come and steal his money, but Judas just discovered that he has a boss who will never call him to give account. He was working with a man who is not interested in auditors, and because there is no auditor, Judas knew, I can go scot-free with this money. And he was stealing them and was stealing them. Jesus ignored them until Judas himself saw himself. Are you a bystander?